Okay, what did I see underwater this week? I saw some Harlequin ghost pipefishes, which are distant relatives of the pipefish and seahorses. They are camouflaging as a crinoid. So in the center, you can see this odd-looking animal, which is an echinoderm. It's again a distant relative of the sea stars and sea urchins. And the Harlequin ghost pipefishes have evolved to essentially visually blend in with this crinoid. Now, the highly interesting thing about these animals is that after fertilization, the female keeps the eggs in a pouch which is formed with her pelvic fins. You can see that here. And not only are the eggs kept safe here, so she seems to be ventilating them by pulsating these ventral fins. And on top of that, there are actually structures which are not unlike that of a mammalian placenta, which are called cotylophores, which are outgrowths of the fish skin, which support the eggs, the developing eggs, with oxygen and nutrients. So this is a highly interesting reproductive strategy. It's worth noting that in seahorses, it's the male fish which keeps the eggs, but this is not the case in this ghost pipefish, where it's the female. Now, the diving in Dauin, where on Negros Island in the Philippines, where I filmed this, is unusual in a number of respects, and one of them is that these ghost pipefishes are fairly abundant, while they are really rare in other occasions. So they come and go in phases. There are months without them, and then there are months where we see them on almost every dive. Also very interesting is that there are a number of species of these ghost pipefish, about 5. You know, that kind of thing can change when new species are found or existing species are split. Besides the Harlequin ghost pipefish, which we observed here, we also quite regularly see the robust ghost pipefish, and which is not mimicking a crinoid, but it's mimicking a piece of dead seaweed. So, hope you liked the video. Like and subscribe, and see you next week.